on the last video, y'all seen my boy pull up when I was in the middle of taking off the front splitter guard and putting on my side, I guess you can say rain guards for the side of the car, I guess you could say. Well, I didn't get to really shoot the rest of this video because I kind of just woke up and knocked it out really quick. It was just a few little pins I just kind of threw on. I needed to go somewhere really quick this morning, so I just went ahead and did that. So we got those on there. Not gonna lie, I actually like how those look, man. They look really good, really good. And then, you know, we got this thing over here. It's trash day too. That's exactly where it's going. Exactly where it's going. Oh, that should even match the color of my shirt.
A few moments later.
YouTube, we back. Look, now that we got the splitter and everything off, the splitter guard and everything off, we about to go to Walmart, man, cause bro, just look at the car. I shouldn't even have to say anything else, bro. It's dirty, bro. So, we're about to go get a foam cannon, you know what I'm saying, all the essentials to wash the, you know what I'm saying, get her looking right, get her clean, get her done up. Like, you got fingerprints and watermarks and everything, all from getting the tint on, and bro, it's just, she looked disgusting, bro. I'm honestly ashamed. I'm not even gonna front, bro. I'm honestly ashamed. So shit, let me give y'all, you know, a little start up. Hold on, here we go. On to the inside. Hit that button right there. Yes, sir. Let her come alive. You know where we going. Come on now. SRT. Come on now. Track. Come on now. Drive modes. Come on now. Y'all know what I'm doing, man. Let me go on. You know what I'm saying? Hold that. The 10 seconds. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see what that is. Come on now. I ain't really got the best angles and whatnot yet. I ain't got nothing set up, but we gonna get there. We definitely gonna get there. Don't wanna get on it too hard. Let her warm up. You know what I'm saying? We just vibing, just cruising. Head over to Walmart. I'm thinking about getting a spray foam gun. One of the like chemical guys, spray foam, spray cannon, whatever you guys want to call it. One of those. If they have one of their like buckets you can buy for like $30 or something like that, then it's probably what I'm gonna end up be getting. But I don't know, man. I don't feel like going to O'Reilly. O'Reilly be taxing for stuff, bro. O'Reilly, AutoZone, all of them like that, bro. They be taxing. I mainly be getting stuff from Amazon, bro. Amazon be my spot. My girl got that student discount, but and that Amazon Prime, yo, say less, fam. I be ordering stuff sometimes and they be like overnight, bro. And when they say overnight, bruh, I had old buddy, he came to, he knocked on my door at 5 o'clock in the morning to drop off some of my GoPros when I ordered them overnight. I was like, bruh, I did not know it was gonna be like that overnight. I mean, I'm thinking like overnight, but they gonna drop it off normal, you know what I'm saying, mail time. Shit, no, they mean during the night, boy, they coming knocking on that door. Boy, I had me tripped out. That shit was crazy. I did not expect somebody a UPS driver to knock on my door at fucking 5 a.m. That was crazy. We made it. We're at Walmart. Home and pharmacy. Now you gotta look back at your baby. Come on now. Now you gotta look back at your baby. Come on now. So, what we're going in here for is some Chemical Guys pressure washer, or what I said. Oh, foam cannon. Foam cannon. Foam cannon. Some, y'all already know I gotta get the black ice. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get some black ice. Shit. Let's see when we get back here. Come on.
Run.
People like, yo. They like, yo. Whose hands is this, bro? Cause I don't care. I don't. Skirt. Skirt. Yep, we're gonna grab one of them.
Another one.
Tree, you already know. Got a pack of them. I don't need 2 packs. I think I got a pack still left in the car. Got
another
that.
one.
Ooh, see, I was thinking about something like this. What we get in this kit? Let's check it out. What we get in this kit? Wheel cleaner, silk shine. Ugh. Oh, there it is.
Another one.
There we go. Right there. Invisible glass. Some of that. Pressure washer. Got the soap. Yada yada. Okay. All right, I'll catch y'all up there at checkout. See what we're working with.
As fuck, boy.
Need a cart? Need a good cart? There you go. Aww. Trade off the good cart. That shit, baby. Just beautiful. Boom, 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 boom. And we are here. All right, here we go. You know what I'm saying? We back with the stuff after Walmart. You know what I'm saying? We got the Chemical Guys foam cannon. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro, this is a little pricey, but it feels like quality, bro. It feels like straight up quality. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. It feels rugged, it feels nice. I haven't used it yet, and obviously I haven't had it long.
A few moments later.
This foam cannon, man, it feels like it's gonna be all right. Like, I'm not gonna have any issues. Let's come peek. Now, I know y'all seen what I got in the store already, but got some microfiber towels. Make sure those stay in the bag so I don't get no dirt on them. Come on now. Don't get no dirt on them. We got some, oh, my gun's dirty? My fault. Got some invisible glass cleaner, streak free, guaranteed. Y'all already know that. That's some of the best glass cleaner I use. And if you use it with a newspaper, don't use it with paper towels or anything. Newspaper gonna be your best bet. But if you have tint on the inside, Be very gentle with it, but on the outside, use that newspaper. Inside, you might want to use that paper towel or something so you don't, you know what I'm saying, scratch your tint. Just be gentle with it, obviously. It's your tint. Now, open this. We got that Chemical Guys, you know what I'm saying, wash and shine kit. 7 essential products. You know what I'm saying? We got the bucket, you know what I'm saying? So we got 3 ways to join the family. We don't need that shit. We don't need that, man. We don't need that. We got the Silk and Shine protection. We got the wheel cleaner. Get that out of there. Get that out of there. We got the Diablo wheel cleaner for all types of wheels, let's say. Removes brakes, dust, spot free, great for tires and wheels. There we go, set that right there. Silk and Shine, vinyl, rubber, and plastic. New look shine, dry to the touch finish, no oily, greasy, or sticky residue. Eager to try that. Most of them, let's say, no sticky or oily residue, always have a sticky or oily residue, so I'll be the damn judge. Bro, your day is not that hard. I promise you, your day is not that hard, bro. This man does nothing but lay around like he's just the most tired person in the world, bro. Like, chill out. All right, what we got? Mr. Pink Super Suds shampoo. Ooh, I'm about to put this in that damn foam cannon. See what she talking about. I ain't never used none of the foam cannons yet. This is my first one, so we got the pressure washer and stuff for it. So we good, we good.